it comes to creating content. Now, as we speak, this platform is all about giving answers. So don't you feel, guys, that giving a very powerful answer is very important thing when it comes to this platform? Yeah, guys, it's very right that you need to give a powerful and a different answer than others. We have found our questions. We have found our questions. We have created a question list. And now it comes to giving answers. And what will make you different from others is your answers. So now let us understand. I will give you some small tips which you can use while creating those answers. For example, if you want to give the answer of this question, what is the best email marketing tool? Okay. If you want to give the question of this answer, what you can do is click on answer. Now it starts when you are going to write an answer. For example, this edit credential. What are you going to do is, for example, this is your name. Big Wing is my name. Okay, this is my brand. This is my company. This edit credential, you will change this credential. Now, which credential you are going to keep? This is the first question which will arise in your mind. Don't worry, guys, I'll tell you. Credential should be that related to your question. For example, your question is related to email marketing. So what are you going to write in credential is, add a credential, click on topic, and email marketing should be your credential. Okay? Yeah. Email marketing should be your credential. And what should be the description? Email marketing expert. Got it, guys? It's easy now. See, when it comes to any of the questions, understand that my credentials should be related to that question. For example, if you think, okay, be in the situation of your audience. If I have two persons, one is just giving an answer to that question, and second one, if it's an Instagram ad question, and that second person is an expert in Instagram ads, which answer I'll refer to read? Of course, the person who is an expert in the question I am searching for. Okay, so got it, guys? What you need to do, whatever is your question, your credential should be related to that. Select a topic that is email marketing, and you are expert in email marketing. You are an expert in email marketing. Okay, then save it. Done? Yeah. Close this. Then comes to writing your main content, that is the body of your content. One thing, advice to you guys, create paragraphs and don't write all in a para. Just a para for the whole answer. No. What are you going to do is, you're going to cut your content into pieces, and each piece should be given a subtopic. Got it? I'll repeat it. Your answer should not be in a full para, like just it starts and it ends. There is no sections, not that. You are going to give sections to it. You are going to give the main topics and you are going to give the subtopics. See, for example, your main topics is main tools. There are many other tools. You are going to give that subtopics. Okay, got it? Topic, under that topic you are going to write, and you are going to even cut that topic into small pieces, that is subtopics. The main important bold points, that is what exactly is the marketing tool. Okay, that tool you can write in caps lock and you can write that in bold. All capital words, that tool you are going to write in capital and you can make it bold. So it is popping up so people can just refer to it, right? Then what can you do is, you can use capital letters. You can, that word, you can increase that font of that word. Then you can add commas. Then you can create a list. You can add, you can use many symbols. You can use images. Now, the most important thing, that is images. For example, I always say you guys that image speaks more than words. So always try to add an image. So see, you can make bold with this, you can make italic with this, you can create a list with this. And how to add an image? Can you see this image icon? Click on that image icon. Once you have done that, what can you do is just add an image. So you are giving a topic. For example, you are giving the main topic, then you are adding an image, then you are making subtopics and you're explaining. Won't it look a decent answer? Won't it look that you're connecting to them? Yeah guys, it will surely and 100% be more decent and more powerful than any other answer. Try to add an image. Try to create subtopics. Try to cut your topic into pieces. Try to give a heading to each topic. Try to give a subheading to each subtopic. This is how you are going to write. Make the main important words bold, capital. Write that in capital words. Make the font a bit, increase the font of that word. This is, you can write, for example, you're writing down a quote. Put that down in quotes. These are small hacks. There is an important sentence to be noted down. Underline that sentence. So can't you write an answer in an effective way? Won't this tips help you guys? It will surely help you, and I'm 100% sure about this. So these are all these small tips that I have given to you for writing down your answers. After writing down, what you need to do is click on the submit button and it is done.
Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.